Welcome to the next video of cipher attack. In the previous video, we have discussed web-based attacks. Now in this video, I am going to discuss system-based attack. What is system-based attack? These are the attacks which are intended to compromise a computer or a computer network. Some of very important system-based attacks are virus, worm, Trojan horse, bots and backdoor. What is virus? Virus is a type of malicious software program that spread throughout the computer files without the knowledge of a user. It is a self-replicating malicious computer program that replicates itself by inserting copies of itself into other computer programs when executed. It can also execute instructions that cause harm to the system. Next, worm. Worm is the type of malware whose primary function is to replicate itself to spread to uninfected computers. It works same as the computer virus. Worms often originates from email attachments that appear to be from trusted senders. Now we can see that there is a very similarity between worms and viruses, but these are two different terms. So there are some differences of virus and worms. That is, a worm is a form of malware that replicates itself and can spread to different computers via a network. But a virus is a malicious executable code attached to another executable file that can be harmless or can sometimes modify or delete data. The main objective of worm is to eat the system's resources. It consumes system resources such as memory and bandwidth and makes the system slow in speed to such an extent that it stops responding. The main objective of virus is to only modify the information. Worm does not need a host to replicate from one computer to another, but a virus requires a host that is needed for spreading. Worm is less harmful than virus. Worms can be detected and removed by the antivirus and firewall easily. Antivirus software is used to protect against viruses. Worms can be controlled by remote. Viruses cannot be controlled. Worms generally come from the downloaded files or through a network connection. Viruses generally come from shared files. Worms hampering computer performance by slowing down it. Worms can be automatically open and running the programs, and worms can send emails without the knowledge. But in case of virus, a pop-up window linking to malicious website will be shown. Hampering virus will hamper computer performance by slowing it down. These are some differences of worm and viruses. And worms is more fast in case of spreading than virus. Next is Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a malicious program that occurs unexpected changes to computer setting and unusual activity even when the computer should be idle. It misleads the user of its true intent. It appears to be normal application, but when opened or executed, some malicious code will run in the background. Next is backdoor. It is a method that bypasses the normal authentication process. A developer may create a backdoor so that an application or operating system can be accessed for troubleshooting or other purposes. Next is bot. Bot is an automated process that interacts with other network services. Some bots programs run automatically while others only execute commands when they receive specific output. There are some common examples of bots program that are chat room bots, malicious bots, etc. Thank you for your patience. Thank you.